Today I'd like to talk about the differences in a finish tolerance. And I'm going to do that by showing you a before and after cut using my CNC machine. Basically, this is the first cut, and this is the second. So what I want to do first is show you how this pattern was cut out using my CNC machine. Using a 1/4 inch upward cut CNC bit, I cut out this pattern. Now, the commands for this pattern is the following. It is first a pocket, a drill, and then an outside profile to finish the piece. I used CAM-BAM, C-A-M-B-A-M. It's the free version is what I used. And so there's limitations to the types of cuts or its optimization algorithms. To show you, I'm trying to position this just right. Do you see that the cuts here are actually doing this? Now, the Z-axis, which you can't see by this piece, it's actually cutting, lifting up, coming over, cutting again, lifting up, coming over, and cutting again. So an efficient cut would be break out this section and to make a semi-rectangular cut, and without lifting the bit, cut that whole section out. So this increases the time of the cut for the total piece. Also, let me show this. I had 0 tolerance on the final of the pocket cut, meaning it would cut here, stop, and there would be no instructions to come and revisit this angle. So this effect was crude, and it repeated it here. This is my second approach. This is my second attempt, where I did center the board properly, so I got a nice healthy border. The sequence of events is to do a pocket cut with 0.05 finish tolerance, meaning it's going to leave 0.05 around every surface, with the anticipation that you're going to come back later and do another cut, whether that's a pocket cut or a profile cut. You can see that the cut is very much improved. I didn't change my my cut pattern. You could see that it still did this, and when it was halfway through, it was jagged, and then I followed it up with a profile cut, and it trued up every edge. Much better result. Definitely the way to go. Putting a little bit extra effort into the CAM-BAM file, a little bit more G-code, I got a much better result.